Everyone's seen it. Painted concrete that starts peeling and flaking after just one season. The secret to a paint job that lasts isn't the paint, it's the prep. And I'm about to show you a process that I can prove works. Hey everyone, Andrew Meades here. These painted concrete pavers in my walkway have been down for over 5 years, enduring tough Canadian seasons. Today, they're due for a repaint, and I'm going to show you the exact prep and painting process I used that made the original paint last so long. Look at the difference here. This isn't just about getting dirt off, we're fundamentally changing the surface. I'm using an acidic detergent called One Restore to gently etch the concrete. In preparation for painting, make sure to get everywhere. I'm gonna do a few at a time, but you can see it foam up, which tells me it's working. Ugh. Think of it as creating millions of microscopic peaks and valleys for the new paint to grab onto, creating a powerful mechanical bond. The process is straightforward. Apply the cleaner, let it dwell, and then rinse thoroughly with the power washer. This removes all the dirt and leaves a perfectly cleaned and profiled surface ready for paint. With the prep done, it's time for fresh paint. For a small job like this, I'm using an airless sprayer attachment for my drill. It gives me fast, even coating without needing a huge expensive machine. Now, here's a simple hack to keep the edges clean and avoid overspray on the pea gravel. I made this quick template out of cardboard. It lets me apply a perfect coat in just a few seconds. Let's put that too, so here, I'm just gonna go till I'm out of paint here. But spraying isn't the last step. This part is crucial. My wife is immediately back rolling the wet paint. This physically pushes the paint deep into the microscopic pores we created in the prep stage, ensuring the strongest possible bond. And here's the final result, a completely refreshed walkway that looks brand new. And because that prep and back rolling process, I know this finish is gonna last for years to come. So the secret is a 1-2 punch, an acidic etch for a strong bond, and back rolling to work the paint into the surface. The next step is to lock in all this pea gravel, so be sure to subscribe to see how I use an aggregate binder to solidify this entire walkway. Thanks for watching.